Hi, it's Dr. Pat with Little Critters, and we have Dragon, a 2-year-old male Savannah Monitor. We're wearing gloves today because Dragon is still being socialized and tends to be a little bitey. He's being great for his exam today. Savannah monitors are actually a common smaller monitor species that we see in the pet trade, and with adequate handling and socialization they can become very good monitors. And I've seen wonderful monitors that are exceptionally tame. With all monitor lizards, they can whip you with the tail, and they have powerful teeth and can deliver pretty significant bites. You do need to be careful with handling them. With any monitor lizard, you need to consider how big they're going to get and need to have adequate enclosure, UV light, temperature that's adequate to their needs. Savannah monitors are from sub-Saharan Africa. They're more of a land or terrestrial based species. Did you know on these guys is they can dig burrows up to 6 feet to escape predators, so they're pretty good at forming a pretty deep burrow. They do need a dry habitat, and again, think of them as a desert species to know what they need. And they are true insectivores, so oftentimes the problems we see with savannahs are that they're fed rodents, and they end up with a lot of fatty liver disease and obesity. They actually are insectivores, so we should be feeding them gut-loaded crickets, dubia roaches, a variety of insects, and they really do much better on that than any other diet. Some of them will eat snails as well. Rodents, again, should be very minimal part of their diet. Medical problems, commonly hepatic issues with fatty liver, obesity, kidney disease, and in all the monitors we do see metabolic bone disease, which is a lack of calcium and a lack of UV light. Often the first sign of some of these calcium regulation issues, low calcium, low UV, are tremors. And so I've seen quite a few monitors that come in with just an occasional little tremor as our earliest sign. If you see that, it's something you want to have looked at right away. And oftentimes we'll run some blood work and find some very low calcium levels, as well as some other problems like kidney or liver values, and do work on correcting that, as well as the diet and the environment, to make sure that they thrive and live a long, healthy life. Savannah monitors do require socialization. All monitor lizards, it's important to realize, are extremely intelligent. These are hunters, and when you think of hunters, you think of being able to hunt down prey and using some level of higher thought processes to do this. And so it means that they are intelligent species. They need environmental enrichment, socialization, and handling when young, so that as they become bigger reptiles, they're not dangerous and they can live a life in captivity without stress.